Let's talk about Let's Talk Science. The Let's Talk Science series is an exciting science series for kindergarten through 4th grade. Let's Talk Science Adventures in the World Around Me for Level K invites you to join the adventures of Gideon and his beloved teddy bear, Mr. Snuggly, as they lead you on an exploration of the world around you. From learning about taste and hearing to discovering things about yourself and God, this kindergarten course is a simple way for young students to begin to understand science and the methods we use to explain it. Along the way, students will marvel at the greatness of God and His amazing creation. This course includes engaging stories from Gideon about his adventures and learning, simple activities and crafts to strengthen the students' understanding of the topics, Bible verses to connect real-world concepts to biblical truths. Each lesson should take about 20 minutes or so, and that is scheduled at 2 days per week. A certificate of completion is included in the back of the book. Everything you will need to complete the course will be found within the book. Let's Talk Science Adventures in Creation Level 1 is geared toward the 1st grade level. Within the course, you will find the description, objectives, overview, a note from the author, course components, and an explanation of helpful tips to get you started. You'll also find your master materials list, everything you need in the beginning of the book, including your daily schedule, which is scheduled at 3 days per week. Each lesson is designed to take approximately 20 minutes. Lessons are grouped by days of creation, and they follow a weekly pattern of learn, experience, and share. You will find Bible-inspired stories featuring short and simple words for emergent readers. Discussion questions are involved for Let's Talk Science. Hands-on experiences are a big part of the way students will learn in this series. This series brings the Bible to life and will instill a love for science through exploration, investigation, and imaginative Bible-inspired stories. Students will discover that science is a wonderful tool God has given us to study His creation. They will also learn more about His character as they ask questions and experience God's world through science. This course is designed to be interactive with students as they are given the opportunity to stop and discuss answers to the questions in the text. Memory verses are included along with hand motions and action descriptions. A certificate of completion is included, as well as an Academy video supplement course from masterbooksacademy.com. Within the Academy course, students will get to know the instructor and her children as they model the experiments, read the lesson to the student, and model the hand motions for the Bible memory portions, and more. Let's Talk Science Adventures in the Physical World Level 2 starts off with the table of contents. You will see the course description, objectives, overview, and a note from the author. You will also get to know the course components with some helpful tips. A master materials list is included. Within the daily schedule, you will see that this course is scheduled at 3 days per week. Each lesson is designed to take about approximately 20 minutes per lesson. It is designed for 2nd graders in a 1-year course. Lessons follow a weekly pattern of learn, experience, and share. You will find Bible-inspired stories featuring Noah and his grandchildren. Memory verses are included along with hand motions and action descriptions. You will notice a slight increase in reading level and worksheet involvement in Level 2. This course will bring the Bible to life and will instill a love for science through exploration, investigations, and imaginative Bible-inspired stories. Students will continue to see science as a wonderful tool God has given us to study His creation. A certificate of completion is included in the back of the book, as well as an answer key for parents to utilize. You may tear this out and add it to your answer key binder if you choose. An Academy video supplement course is available at masterbooksacademy.com. Within the Academy course, students will get to know the instructor and her children as they model the experiments, read the lesson to the student, and model the hand motions for the Bible memory portions, and more. Let's Talk Science Adventures on Planet Earth Level 3 begins with the table of contents. You will see the course description, course objectives, a note from the author. You will also find course overview and components, an explanation of a student's science notebook with recommended resources from master books, a master materials list, and the daily schedule, which is scheduled at 5 days per week. Lessons are designed to include hidden treasures of Scripture that students can share as they work through the course. Presented as a conversation between siblings Ben and Hannah, Let's Talk Science 3 is an exciting and easy-to-use science course. Learners will discover unique and interesting places on our planet, as well as expand their vocabulary and develop a deeper understanding of God as Creator and His Word. This course is hands-on and easy to prepare for fun. We know it will encourage your students' curiosity. Students get to make 4 biome projects, including the boreal, temperate deciduous, rainforest, and grassland biomes. Bonus activities are found within the back of the book, as well as a basic phonics review for pronunciation. A full glossary is also in the back of the book. Families can utilize the glossary in a variety of ways. Students will be writing those words and definitions throughout the course. An answer key is also included. Parents may choose to tear that out and add to their answer key binder. You will also find a certificate of completion. An Academy course is available at masterbooksacademy.com. Let's Talk Science Adventures in the Scientific Method Level 4 begins with the table of contents. From there, you will see the course description, course objectives, and a note from the author. You will also find a course overview and components, the science notebook explanation with hidden treasures, helpful tips, and additional tips from the author. You will also find recommended master books resources. The daily schedule is scheduled at 5 days per week. This course takes students through the basics of the scientific method and chemistry, as well as an exploration into marine biology. Students will also learn about worldview and how important it is in how we interpret evidence. Each lesson is designed to take approximately 30 minutes. This course is a continuation of our science journey with siblings Ben and Hannah. Students are encouraged to think critically as they fill out lab reports. They will fill out the components of asking a question, developing a hypothesis, writing down things that they observe, and then performing an experiment. From there, they will write down what happened in the experiment and find out if their hypothesis was correct. In the lessons on worldview, students will learn that our worldview is shaped by the Bible. We turn to the Bible first to tell us what truth is, to learn how we are to live our lives before God, and to reveal how we can have a relationship with God. The Bible is the foundation for the way we view the world around us. Students learn that when the Bible is our foundation, it also becomes the foundation for the way we explore everything around us. In the back of the book, students will find their very own copy of the periodic table. They will also find a certificate of completion. A phonics guide is included to help students with pronunciation. A full glossary is also included, and students can utilize the vocabulary words and definitions as they go throughout the course. You will also find answer keys for parents to remove from the book and add to an answer key binder if they choose. An Academy course is also available for this course at masterbooksacademy.com. Now it's your turn to talk about Let's Talk Science. Head on over to masterbooks.com to view a generous preview of each level.